Position.
Don't act like you ain't seen me.
So hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Stephanie, or just Stephanie P, and I am back with another video for you guys. Please help me get to 500 subbies by the end of this year. My channel has actually been doing really well, so thank you guys for that. But please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That way I know what videos you guys want to see, or what videos you guys are more interested in. Okay, so I'm sitting here working, right? Oh no, I don't know what happened. Okay, no, but anyways, I'm sitting here working and I got an order. So I did remember telling you guys that I was going to do a more detailed, like literally like a full breakdown as to how I ship off an order. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Part of this video is going to be a screen record. I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out, but we're just going to roll with it. So let's just jump right into it. First thing I do is go to Wix. Now that's who I choose to do my website through, you guys. Like, I haven't had a problem with Wix. So right now I like how they operate. So I have no problem with Wix. I will recommend Wix. Like, I have not had like any problem, so I will recommend Wix. But as you guys can see over here in the left, on the left side of the screen, you have the dashboard, store products, store orders. So I'm just going to click on orders. And as you guys can see, well, I don't need to cover this up, but I'll probably blur it out or whatever. But as you guys can see, it'll show you a list of all your orders, and you know, the date they ordered it, the customer, you know, if it's been fulfilled, if it's been paid, the total, all that good jazz. So Wix does a pretty good job with keeping up with your orders. So like I said, I would recommend them. But as you guys can see, I think her name is Kiara. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But she placed an order, and it's unfulfilled on my part. If you guys can see, it's definitely unfulfilled on my part. So I am going to click on this, and she purchased a flutter necklace and a flutter bracelet. So I'm just going to go, because all my products are stored to the right of me. So, because I literally have like a small, literally a small corner, because we live in an apartment and it's not that much space. So I make do with what I got. But she ordered a flutter necklace and a flutter bracelet. Here's the bracelet, and then here's the necklace. So these are the two products that she ordered, and I am going to transfer the packaging. I got some jewelry display cards made. So this is like a super cute touch, because you know, for the longest, this is just how I was shipping them off, like in this packaging that it came in, but I don't like it. So yeah, I'm just going to use my jewelry display cards, and they are like super cute, you guys, like super cute. So I got my jewelry display cards from Zazzle. I think it's 100 of them for I think I paid like 33 bucks. 33 bucks for them. So yeah, it's a really good price, and the card is nice and thick. Okay, so the first things first, before I even take anything out of the packaging, I go in with my hand sanitizer. And I use a generous amount of this, you know, because I want my hands thoroughly clean for my customers, you know. So I just go ahead and use some hand sanitizer, you know, just to keep everything sanitized. Okay, so now we got the two slits. I then go in, and see, this packaging is just so plain. I really don't like it. This packaging is so plain, but I'm just gonna go in and I'm going to take the necklace out of the packaging. Oh no. Let me tell you, my nails be literally getting in the way of everything. My nails literally get in the way. Okay. I'm going to wrap the chain. Well, first I'm going to put the chain in the 2 slots. And I want the butterfly to show. So I'll just pull it back on this part. There we go. So, this is what it would look like. How cute. Like, super cute. I'm telling you, it'd be the small changes that makes like a grand difference. So, you know, like sometimes like if you're looking at your business and, you know, you're not liking like how something is looking or whatever, like simply just start with maybe like changing like the color scheme of your packaging or just adding like these small details, because this super cute. I'm trying to tell you, it's like super cute. So I'm going to get some tape and I am going to tape this string to the back. But before I do that, I'm going to do the same thing with the bracelet. I'm going to put it in my jewelry card display. That necklace is super cute. The 3D, it's super cute. I love the flutter necklace. I wear that thing literally all the time. You guys, if you can see my desk right now, it's literally like a hot mess. I know you guys only see like my notebooks, like that's my planner and stuff, like my planner and my motivational book that I always write and just stuff that I have to do. It's like cute over here, but on this desk, hot mess, hot ass mess. Okay, super gorgeous. And again, I am going to tape these to the back. Tape the excess to the back. Because once you have everything taped up, it should look like this. It should look like this. So she ordered both the flutter necklace and the bracelet / anklet because I wear them as both. But then I am going to take my cellophane bags. I'm gonna take 2 of those, and I got these off of Amazon, like 100 of them for like $6. So I got these off of Amazon. And see, branding and packaging is literally everything, you guys. Like that's something that people may not look or think is important, but it definitely is, you guys. Like that's your brand. Like that's what, when you ship something out, like that's, you know, how your brand is represented, you know. So you want to make sure that everything is to your liking. So I'm just going to take the clear adhesive off. So I just fold it over. Now you don't have to, again, you don't need these. I just choose to ship them off this way, but you don't need this. Like however you want to package your brand, like it's completely up to you. So now I made a huge mistake, you guys, because I don't use Wix like to see like my order or anything like that. You can, and you can ship your orders off through Wix, but I use ShipStation, and ShipStation does show you your ShipStation does show you like your orders on there as well. So I really don't know why I was in Wix. I really don't know. That's how like tired my brain is. I literally just got up and started working, so I probably should have took some time to myself. But yeah, so I'm going to go on ShipStation because you know you can see your orders or what that person ordered on ShipStation just as well. So ShipStation or Wix, either one. I just use ShipStation though. So now that that's loading, I'm going to go to this top bar here and I'm going to click on orders, and I want to click this, and I'm going to blur this out, of course. But like I said, this is what I was telling you guys, like ShipStation shows you what that person ordered. So yeah, you probably just can use just ShipStation by itself, or Wix, like I said, either one, your particular preference. Now that we got the order together, which is the necklace and the bracelet, we are going to now move into the shipping. So to ship, you also are going to need I know this thing was not on. I know this thing was not on. You're going to need a scale. So my scale came from Amazon. I think I paid maybe $13 or $14 for this. No more than $15. But you're going to need a scale, and you are going to want to, let's see, I'll do it back here so that you guys can see. You're going to need your scale, and you're also going to need your packaging. For this little bitty order, I'm going to grab my smaller packaging. I'm going to grab my thank you cards because, of course, I always thank my customers for purchasing with me, you know, because you don't have to. And the fact that you do, I'm always grateful and appreciative. So I'm going to take my thank you cards, and I'm also going to get my business cards. And everything that go in the packaging is what you want to get at this particular point. So business cards, thank you cards, and that person's orders, and whatever else personally you want to put in there, is what goes in there. Now I'm debating on if I want to ship them off in these baggies. I think I want to ship them off in these baggies because yeah, I just want to ship them off in the bags. I'm just gonna get rid of them. So now that we have that, we are going to literally place the person's order in here along with the business cards. Now I can't fit the thank you cards in here. I need to get bigger bigger bags or bigger size bags. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put that in here, tie that off, right? So I am going to put the thank you cards in here, and I'm going to put this in here. Okay, so now goes where the scale come in. You need to figure out how much your package weighs. So I'm just going to cut this on. It's already on a flat surface. You want to make sure that this is on a flat surface. But I'm going to cut this on and then just stick the package on there. That package is literally 1 ounce. So moving back to the computer, you want to go in and you want to put this stuff in. So where weight is, say, 1 ounce. Select service. This is USPS first class mail. Select package. It's just a package. Size, weight, all that, all this you don't need. I don't need the confirmation. There's no insurance or anything like that. And that's pretty much it. You are going to create and print a label. So the label is over there printing because my printer can't fit over here. But I'm just gonna go get the label. I'm going to close this off, and I'm going to put the label on this side, and that's pretty much it. Once you print the label, when you're using ShipStation, once you print the label, the ShipStation automatically sends a confirmation number to the person who purchased it. So I don't have to worry about typing in a specific tracking number or anything like that, because it automatically sends it to them. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to show you how I send off and package off your orders. I wanted to be detailed as possible. you know, just for anybody who's using Wix as a generator. So I'm going to get back to work, you guys, because I have a lot to do. And I gotta go grocery shopping. I got a lot of stuff to do. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, you guys, and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers. That's a goal of mine, and I want to get to 500 subscribers. But that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video.